Owop Asempa. Hi guys, and today we are learning cleanliness. At the end of this video, you should be able to define cleanliness, give reasons why we clean, the importance of cleanliness, communal labor, recycling, and ways to recycle. What is cleanliness? Cleanliness is the process of making a place organized and free from dirt. Why do we clean? We clean to make places organized and nice. We clean to bring peace of mind to ourselves and our families. We clean to maintain hygiene and health. Don't you feel great when your room is organized and clean? Getting the community together to clean. In every normal village, on the last Saturday of every month, there is something called communal labor. Also, there is a day once in every year known as Earth Day. That is celebrated once a year to clean the environment and plant more trees on Mama Earth. SB, what in the world is recycling?
Recycling is the process of using old things to create new ones or improvise.
Riddle, riddle, riddle. I am related to all subjects. I hope you understand all that you are taught in one subject. What subject am I? The one who made it didn't want it. The one who bought it didn't need it. And the one who used it never saw it. What is it? Lots of it. Lots of it's.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, yeah, yeah.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, yeah, yeah. Like, share, comment, subscribe, yeah, yeah.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, yeah, yeah.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, yeah, yeah. Like, share, comment, subscribe, yeah, yeah.